Okay, so I applied the phase wires into the gyroscope MCU chip. I put a protection over the transducers, the speakers actually, and I put the phase wires into the nano controller. It's localized at the bottom. It's underneath the coin battery slot that I have also here. It holds 2 coin batteries. I have 2 at the top also. That's the coin battery charger. Phased the wire, coated it with some thermoplastic mount, so it won't have that much heat. So at least that's the holding for meanwhile. Now these other wires are one for the diode. The diode sensors long range. Here is for right here. I have the plugins underneath there. All I have to do is snub it up underneath there. There's another phase wire for there for the speaker, and that's for the charger right there, that little adapter right there bearing the box. I got the holes for the speaker for listening and hearing. The voice core is inside the helmet. I have the micro miniature cameras right there, central. I have the other diodes localized right there, and the Hall effect sensor localized at the top. And the magneto Doppler is underneath the housing, and it's phased with phase wires just underneath this gulp right here. So it's slided in, it's within a composite underneath the MCU chip. So it's right underneath the wires, the phase wires. I finished this part. I'm not finished actually for the exterior. Still have more to add to it. And following unit, you should probably see that I'm still working on. Oops. Still working on this robot. I have to try to balance it. I added the drone motor controllers, which are localized right here, and this is to drive the wheels right here for the segment. I put the V for the damper. Oops, it's falling. And I only got one hinge to hold the drive. Oh no, it's crumbling. It's crumbling. The pressure down. It's pressured down, so I'm gonna try to hold it up. I gotta use my feet to hold the toe. So just to hold the camera one direction, just to get it to stand up. It should be able to without slumping over. Okay, now this part right here is supposed to be at the top right here. Oh. Okay, this part right here is supposed to be at the top right here, and that was supposed to be like the anti-shock I was telling you about concerning the dampering for the circuit. So I'm trying to use as much dampering as I can for the system. I have to bend these to get it to crouch down, like sitting. See how they fold into one another? It fold to the side, so kind of crazy, but it do function as human articulated legs or feet. So that's so far. I still have to do the knees the same way, like this. Still have to do the knees the same way, like this, so I can cause a little dampering and resistance to uplift the other part, just in case there's any turbulence, to reduce turbulence and stuff like that for that part. So that's really it. And just making it a little bit shorter, so I'm not making it tall and big. I want it small for mobility purposes, carrying and packaging for mobility purposes, and a nice little espionage box. And I will finish the full body and I thought to use JetCat 4 to JetCat for as far as turbine for to cause it to lift, and we're still going to be working on the areas on getting that into the air. So my name is Jermaine Martin. Goodbye.